Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to change Google Messages notification sound. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do to start by launching Google Messages on your phone. All right, and once you do that, the next thing to do is to head over to your phone settings because you cannot do that in the Google Messages app. On the current Android version, the notification sound for Google Messages is controlled through Android's notification settings rather than through a simple notification sound option in the main Google Messages settings. Google confirms that notification controls can be configured for individual apps, although the exact menus can vary by phone manufacturer and Android version. So head over to your phone settings, going all the way back to here. So scroll through the settings menu and tap on apps. Now, depending on your phone, this section may have a slightly different name, such as apps and notification. So from the list of installed apps, just go click on all apps, by the way. And from the list of installed apps, just go ahead and tap on messages. That is Google Messages. So you should now see the settings available specifically for Google Messages app. So from here, tap notifications and this opens notifications control for Google Messages. If notifications are switched off, then just go ahead and turn on the toggle at the top first so that Google Messages can alert you when you receive new messages. Google specifically lists incoming messages as the notification category that controls notifications for incoming messages. So let's go ahead and look for incoming messages under the notification category. If you see the switch beside incoming messages, which we have here, don't simply tap the switch. Tap the incoming messages category itself. Not the switch, just tap on it to open its detailed settings. Now, this is where Android may provide additional controls or including the notification sound. Now, inside the incoming messages notification settings, go ahead and tap sound. Then Android will display the notification sounds available on your phone, which you have here. So tap the sound you want to use for incoming Google Messages notification. I'm not going to play it. Just go ahead and tap it. Depending on your phone, you may be able to preview the sound before selecting it. If your phone displays save, apply, or similar confirmation button, just tap on it. On some Android phones, selecting the sound applies the change immediately. And that's it. From now on, incoming Google Messages notifications should now use the exact sound that you selected. That's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.